Next, we will review line item booking. And line item booking is leveraged when you have those customer load records that are multi-pick, multi-drop. In this example below, we have our customer load that is a 1-pick and a 2-drop. We can see our Minnesota Twins delivery and our Fargo wood chippers delivery. What I've already established is a customer pickup to the warehouse consolidation point. From here, we are going to open up the ability to have individual carriers complete these separate movements. To do so, we are simply going to click the View Mode button here, and we can see this opens up each customer delivery as its own independent line item, thus allowing us to create 2 independent carrier loads associated with each line item. Off to the left, we can see that we are still working with load L70. And the rest of the procedures work as we've previously covered with assigning the carriers to this movement. As we can see here, here's an example of a customer load that is a 1-pick, 2-drop with a customer pickup to a delivery to a warehouse consolidation point, and 2 independent carriers carrying out those final deliveries.